Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to program Eliwell and the model is Iwc750Lx. Okay, so here guys, we're going to put supply here. Okay, so this is my AC line and my neutral. I'm going to plug in here, and my live wire going to plug in here. Okay, and we're going to put a compressor load. So this is my neutral. Compressor load is here for terminal number 13, and for the live wire terminal number 12. Okay, and we're going to install some load for evaporator fan motor, and here is the fan motor. Number 7 is the live. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and for the neutral number 8. Okay, and we're going to install a defrost load, and this is lampshade guys. And for my, this is normally the 9 and 10 is normally closed, so I'm going to put the line to the number 9. Okay, and the neutral I'm going to put to the terminal number 11. Okay, now that we have a load, we're going to install a sensor. Okay, this one I'm going to put to the PB1, which is the room sensor. I'm going to plug into the terminal 16 and 17, which is the load for the room sensor. Papasok po siya sa terminal 16 at 17. Okay, and this another sensor is for the evaporator sensor, which is the PB2. So between the terminal 18 and 19, that is the slot for the evaporator. Okay, that's it. Now let's power it on. Okay, compressor on. Temperature is now. Enter the programming mode. Just press the set button. Okay, now the CP appears, and let's enter that one. And I just press the set button and arrow up. Now in the differential here guys, the differential, this differential is the on-off operation of the compressor. So we're going to put a value and press set again. Now this is the default. This is the default. All the value stored here is a default. So we're going to program it here. I'm going to put it to 4. Let's program it to 4. Why 4? because the value I put to the LSE and the HSE is between 1 to 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a 4 differential. So there. That's it. Okay. Here. The compressor is 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. So my differential is I have a 4 differential. Set. Arrow up. Set. Now we have a value for the differential. Now let's proceed to the HSE, which is the highest temperature. So I'm going to put this, just press the set button, and it says 50 because the value is 50, which is the default. So we're going to change that to positive 5. So let's just be patient and press the arrow down button, and let's change it to positive 5. Okay guys, the temperature I set here is just an example. Just follow what your company or your customer standard temperature. For example, that is a cake freezer and they only want positive 5 to positive 12, so just follow them. Okay, it's a case-to-case basis. Okay, here I put it to positive 5. Okay, and my LSE is positive 1. So I'm going to press the set button to memorize, and we're going to change the LSE, and what is stored here is negative 50. So we're going to change that to positive 1. Set to show the value, and the value is negative 50. I'm going to change that to positive 1. Okay. Here. Positive 1 LSE. My differential is 4. Okay. My highest set point is 5 and my lowest set point is 1. So I have a differential of 4. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 4 differential. Positive 1. Okay, there is it. Positive 1. Then set button. Okay, we're going to escape this compressor. I don't want to discuss all about this one. Just change the value of differential, LSE and HSE. That's all. Do not touch this to the defrost folder. And CP here, defrost, and press set. Okay, press this set, and the value is 0. Now the DTY. Okay, here DTY guys is the type of defrost. If you want electrical defrosting, just press 0 or select this 0. If you want inversion defrost or via hot gas, you select 1 like that, then set. Now if you are using electrical defrost, just leave it to this 0. This one 0. Okay, so if hot gas, just press 1. Okay, 1. Then Let's proceed to DIT. And DIT means interval between start of two subsequent defrosting operation. If you select 0, it means the function is disabled. DIT. Okay. Now we're going to, since DIT is the interval, the default is 6. Now this 6, the defrost will defrost every 4 hours. This default value is your defrost will activate every 4 hours. You change it to 7. Every 3.4 hours, the electrical heater will activate. And if you set it to 8, the 24 divided by 8 is 3. So every 3 hours, the electrical heater or the hot gas will activate. And if you put it to 9, every 2.6 hours, the electrical or the hot gas will engage. So if you want to set it to 7, it's up to you. If you want to 6, it's up to you. Okay, so just press set button and let's proceed to DCT. Now the DCT, guys, is the counting of the DCT counting mode for the defrosting interval set. Now we're going to select the 1, which is the hour of appliance operation. Okay, then let's proceed to DOH. Defrost start delay time from start of the instrument, so we don't need to delay the defrost. The value there is 0, so no need to change that one. We're going to proceed to DET. Now DET, guys, is the defrost duration. For example, we set it to 6. Now the 6 will activate every 4 hours. So where is it now? Defrost DET. Now the default value is 30 minutes. So if we set it to 6, which is every 4 hours, the defrost will engage, and we need to, if you want to reduce that one, you can do it. You want 25 minutes, can. You want 20 minutes, can also. Okay, can. Now if you want that one, now what if I want 15 minutes? Yes, you can. 15 minutes once more. Okay, then set. But 15 minutes, guys, is too short, so we're going to change also the DIT, because we set it to 15 minutes only. Okay, DIT is the interval. We set it to 6, and we're going to set this. Okay, 6. Now every 4 hours, and the duration is only 15 minutes. If you want to use 15 minutes, just add this. Okay, add it to 8. Okay, here 9. 24 divided by 9 is 2.6. So every 2.6, the defrost heater or hot gas will engage, and the compressor by that time will stop. So I suggest do not disable this evaporator sensor if you use it. Okay, for example, you want me to use for a chiller mode only, which is setting I use is a chiller, so do not disengage this one. Let's proceed to the fan folder. Okay, and once again we're going to enter the programming mode. Press set button and CP appeals. That is it. And press the upper button and release the fan folder. To enter that, press the set button, and under the FST, the default here is 2. Okay, 2 degrees. So set. What installed here is 2 degrees. Now I'm going to change this to 15 minutes. Okay, 10 also can. Okay, why did I choose 15 minutes here? Okay guys, because under here FST is the fan lock temperature. Okay, here FST says here fan lock temperature. If the evaporator probe, this one is the evaporator, if the evaporator probe reads higher value than the set value, the fan will stop. And the set value, our set value is 1 degrees. Okay, 1 degrees, and I put it to FST. I put it to 15 degrees. So there's a big gap in order to this FST will stop the operation of the evaporator fan motor. Okay, and let's going also to change the FAD. FAD value default is 2 degrees Celsius, so I'm going also to change that one. and under here okay, here FAD meaning fan activation intervention differential. See parameter FSD, and the parameter FSD is 15 degrees Celsius. So this differential, I'm going to put a value of, let's go to that. Entering the programming mode, just press set, then CP here, and let's enter the fan setting. Okay, under the FAD, I'm going to put a differential of 2 degrees, and I'm going to choose 3 degrees. Okay, then I'm going to set it to memorize. Now this one will, just in case this room sensor is malfunctioning, this evaporator will stop upon reaching the value of 15 degrees, which is I put to the FSD. Okay, and after that, during abnormality, this room sensor will activate upon the intervention of the FAD. This FAD is the differential intervention, which is the 3 degrees Celsius. So the set point, which is 1 degrees, during abnormalities, this fan motor will stop if the abnormality reaches 15 degrees Celsius, and the FAD, what is that now? This FAD, since I put a value of 3, so this intervention will restart the fan motor, okay, every 3 degrees Celsius. Okay, just put value on it. Okay, for the FDT, delay after defrost, okay, we can put 2 minutes or 1 minute to allow the drip water to go to the drain pan. So once again, let's enter the programming mode, and let's proceed to the fan. FSD is done, FAD is done, and FDT, this is the delay after defrost. So we're going to set a value of 2 degrees. Okay, minutes, 2 minutes. Where is it? Then set. Okay, under here, FDT 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, this fan motor will start. Okay, during defrost. Okay, and let's put it to DT, dripping time. If you want to put a value of DT, okay, here's the DT, dripping time. So we delay it and we put a value of 1 minute, then set, and this one allow the water drip from the evaporator to go directly to the drain pan. So when the fan motor start to spin again, those drip water will not scatter. Okay, now let's proceed to the FCO. Okay, FCO, guys, is the duty cycle. Okay. FCO set. Now under here, FCO means it allows the fan lock to be selected or not when the compressor is off. If we select the Y, fan active with the thermostat. Okay, depending on the value reads by the defrosting probe. See FST. Now, for example, we let's see the default. FCO set Y. Okay, so this one is set to Y, means fan active with the thermostat. Okay, here is our thermostat active with the thermostat. So if you want to set that one, FCO, you want to select the DC duty cycle and let's press that one. Now under DC duty cycle, we need to enter the value of the fan off and fan on. Okay, we select that one. Okay, under FCO we select DC. If you select this one, in order to activate this one, or we can use this one, we need to set the value of the fan up, down. Okay, this is fan on. Okay, set the value is 0. So we're going to enter, for example, we want that to use 12 hours here 12 hours, and 12 hours times 60 or 720 minutes. If you want to put that one, set, just put the value of 400. Oh, it's a long time. 4, because this is minute. 420, 720 minutes. So to make it short, I'll just put it 10, then set. But it must be 720, guys. Okay, and fan off. Fan off. We need to rest this fan motor because we set it to 12 minutes duty cycle mode, and after 12 minutes it will rest for 5 minutes. So FOF, let's set the value of 5 minutes. It will rest. Set. Okay, it will rest. Now the purpose of this, guys, is once the walk-in chiller is full of product and you are in, for example, in a vacation for 2 to 3 days because the company have an event, so you need to change the FCO from Y to DC. Okay, and you want that to operate 12 hours, so no problem. Now during normal operation, just go to the Y. Okay, fan motor set. FST. Let's go to FCT again. FCO, I mean. Set, and just select the Y. Okay, and set button. Okay, and what else you want to know about here? Okay, for the beginners, I guess that's all. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
klase. Salamat.
Okay, I hope you learned something new today. Thank you and God bless.